Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Puravive review. So if you've been looking into Puravive lately, now let's sit down and walk through exactly what this product is all about. Now what's inside and how much it actually costs, and the official guidelines and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Now, at its core, Puravive here is a natural dietary supplement in capsule form designed for adult men and women, which is that's according to the website. Now, the entire formulation is built around a specific physiological focus, supporting and optimizing your body's levels of brown adipose tissues, which is often abbreviated as BAT or BAT. Now, according to the science behind the brand here, adipose tissues acts as natural calorie burner, and this supplement is designed to help support healthy metabolic activity and steady energy levels by focusing on those specific tissue pathways. So, what is exactly inside each capsule? Now, the formula features a proprietary blend of 8 exotic non-GMO plant-based nutrients and botanical extracts. Now, when you check the official ingredients profile here, you will find a bunch of stuff like, for example, the luteolin, so a natural flavonoid is included to support brown adipose tissues levels while promoting overall brain and cholesterol health. Now, you also have like kudzu, now an antioxidant-rich botanical extract meant to help boost BAT levels and support your cardiovascular system. Holy basil, an adaptogen used to support metabolic health and help the body handle daily physical stress, and a lot more like the white Korean ginseng and amur cork bark, and a bunch more like propolis, also the oleoropine, and much more. Now, when it comes to actually taking Puravive here, the manufacturer keeps the directions incredibly simple and straightforward. Now, the recommended daily serving is just 1 capsule per day. So, the official instructions advise taking your single capsule with a large glass of cold water because the ingredients are designed to digest and absorb steadily, and they suggest taking it consistently at the same time each day to allow a proprietary formula to work consistently in your system. Now, lastly, if you do decide to purchase it directly from their official store or somewhere similar, the pricing may be different. So, in some cases, pricing may be more or less depending on where you're buying it. Now, in this case, if you're going to buy it from one of their websites, so like for this one, like the one bottle here, which is a 30-day supply, is priced at around like $59 per bottle, plus standard shipping fees. And they also have the 3 bottle supply here, which is a 90-day supply. So this package brings the price down to like $49 per bottle, but total pricing is around like $147, and often includes digital bonus guides. Now they also have this 6 bottle option here, which is 180 supply or 180-day supply. Now this is the largest bundle, reducing the price to around like $39 per bottle, and totals around like 234 as well, with free shipping and digital guides included as well. Now, the manufacturer also backs, or according to them, they do have, or the purchases are backed by, or the made that is made through their official platform with a 180-day money back guarantee. So, meaning if you do decide it's not the right addition to your daily habits, you can request a refund within the 6-month window. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.